Throughout history, blizzards have tested human endurance in unimaginable ways. Picture the Schoolchildren's blizzard of 1888, where temperatures plummeted across the Great Plains, entrapping unsuspecting residents. Children, heading home from school, faced brutal winds and thick snow, but many survived by taking shelter in haystacks or schools. Then, consider the 1972 Iran blizzard, which mercilessly blanketed towns under 26 feet of snow. Despite the deadly conditions, stories emerged of families surviving for days in buried homes. These tales of resilience highlight the unyielding spirit of survival against nature's most fearsome conditions, inspiring us to appreciate human tenacity and adaptability.